Hello everyone, and feel happy delivering the babies and celebrating this motherhood. My message to all the mothers on this Mother's Day is that breastfeed your babies, be with your babies for at least 6 months.
Motherhood is the biggest joy a female can get in life, and helping a female to fulfill it is very satisfying.
Wish all the mothers all over the world a happy Mother's Day.
Wishing you a happy Mother's Day. On this occasion of Mother's Day, I would like to educate all the females regarding this cord blood banking.
When I was pregnant, the first thing that we thought in the best interest of our child was to go for cord blood banking.
Advantage of this preservation is we are able to regenerate the cells from the stem cells. That means the blood cells, nerve cells, muscle cells, and even the organs can be regenerated.
So when it came for our own child, obviously there were no second thoughts to it. This concept of cord blood banking was quite alien in India, maybe around 10 years back. But today, not only all over the world, but even in India, doctors have realized the power of these stem cells and have been recommending this to their patients. They have also been helped in diseases like sickle cell, thalassemias, which have been crippling for children.
We should all go for it, as it is a kind of insurance, say medical insurance. Also, one more good thing about stem cell banking is it is helpful for you, for your baby, and also for the sibling.
Yes, my grandson's cord blood will be preserved.
And future of stem cells, yes, there's definitely a lot of research going on. We do see now that it's being used for many things of cerebral neuron regeneration, heart attacks, thalassemia, cerebral palsy. So definitely there is a good future for stem cells. Thank you.
Say that you go out and buy an expensive dress, or you go out and spend it on a party. Rather than that, if you have this kind of money and now the facility of installment is there, it will be the biggest gift that you give to your child, rather than celebrating the first birthday with the same amount of money.
I would like to tell it is a blessing for the mankind.
In this modern era, with the latest technologies, a best gift a mother can give to her child is cryopreservation of stem cells, a beautiful gift for future use.
Let's preserve life. Let's preserve love.